Hey there, welcome back to Hidden Source News, your go-to channel for honest reviews, deep dives, and, well, everything happening across film and television. As always, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to keep up to date on all our content. So, today we're bringing you a non-spoiler review of Star Trek Starfleet Academy Episode 1, which is the newest chapter in the ever-expanding Star Trek universe. This premiere episode really sets the tone for what the series wants to be, and honestly, right out of the gate, it feels ambitious and modern, while still respecting Trek's legacy. Whether you're a longtime fan or totally new to Star Trek, this show clearly wants you along for the ride. Episode 1 introduces us to a new era of Starfleet, centered on young cadets who are training to become the next generation of officers. In the newly established Starfleet Academy, which has been reopened back in San Francisco, where the original home of the Academy has always been, the episode focuses heavily on world building, character introductions, and, the emotional stakes of joining Starfleet, rather than just flashy action. But make no mistakes, there is ample amount of action. It's paced deliberately, letting the audience really understand the importance of the Academy itself, now that Starfleet has begun to grow after the burn and the events of Star Trek Discovery. This slower burn actually works in the show's favor by grounding the story in character, rather than just spectacle. I really enjoyed how some of these characters were introduced, and the possibilities of where they may be headed. The cast is honestly one of the strongest elements right from the start, featuring a mix of fresh faces and familiar Star Trek veterans. The younger cast members bring believable energy, vulnerability, and curiosity to their roles, making their characters feel superhuman and relatable. As the episode continues, you get to see how the interaction of the new young cast begins to develop. We also begin to see how they interact with the Academy hierarchy. This episode gives up a look at how quick the chemistry is developed by the cast, while also seeing that there is deep-rooted fears and possible backstories for each character, which, like previous series, have developed quite well and brings me joy of what may lie ahead for this ambitious new installment into the Star Trek universe. Meanwhile, the returning legacy actors add weight and credibility, reminding viewers of the responsibility Starfleet represents. As long as they remain in the backdrop, I am okay with this, but I hope they don't begin to push any legacy actors to the forefront and keep the focus on the cadets and their evolution in the series. The chemistry between the cast and legacy cast feels natural, even this early in the series. Thematically, Starfleet Academy leans heavily into identity, responsibility, and moral choice, which are classic Star Trek pillars. Episode 1 explores what it truly means to wear the uniform and the sacrifices that come with that decision. The usual Star Trek tropes. And I am okay with this because honestly, this is one of the reasons I love Star Trek. The possibility of hope for a better future, in a world full of uncertainties, which this series lean on from the get-go. Rather than presenting Starfleet as flawless, the show acknowledges doubt, fear, internal conflict, and second chances. This gives the series a more mature and thoughtful tone than a typical coming-of-age story. Visually, the show looks polished and cinematic, with production values that rival modern Trek series like Strange New Worlds and Discovery. The Academy itself feels alive, expansive, and symbolic of hope and progress. Costume design and set details subtly reflect Starfleet tradition while pushing the aesthetic forward. Nothing feels cheap or rushed, which speaks to the care behind this project. Early reviews from critics and fans have been largely positive, praising the show's emotional depth and strong character focus. Many have highlighted the writing for avoiding heavy exposition dumps and trusting the audience to piece things together. Some reviewers note the slower pace, but most agree it's intentional and effective. Overall, the consensus is that Episode 1 successfully lays a strong foundation. From a concept standpoint, Starfleet Academy feels like Star Trek's answer to telling smaller, more personal stories within a massive universe. Instead of galaxy-ending threats, the stakes are internal and philosophical. The episode hints at ethical dilemmas and political tension without revealing specifics. This approach keeps the series flexible and story-driven rather than event-driven, which is what I enjoyed with this first episode, that it started small and slowly, and I hope will develop until eventually greater event may occur. Personally, I came away very positive on this premiere and genuinely excited for what's next. The show respects Trek lore without being buried by it, which is a difficult balance to strike. It feels welcoming to new viewers while rewarding longtime fans with subtle nods and familiar values. Episode 1 doesn't try to do everything at once, and that restraint is refreshing. Looking ahead, the series seems poised to explore long-term character arcs, leadership challenges, and the evolving role of Starfleet in a changing galaxy. There are clear signs this show wants to grow with its audience, rather than rush toward big moments. If the writers maintain this focus, Starfleet Academy could become one of the most emotionally resonant Trek series yet. The potential here is significant. That's my non-spoiler review of Star Trek Starfleet Academy Episode 1. I give it a 8.5 out of 10. I hope you all enjoy this new installment into the Star Trek universe, and so far, the future looks promising. If you enjoy thoughtful sci-fi, character-driven storytelling, and classic Star Trek ideals, this series is absolutely worth checking out. Let us know your thoughts in the comments if you've seen it already, or when you see it. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Hidden Source News for more reviews, breakdowns, and exclusive coverage. See you on the next episode review.